At 82, Robert Chen could barely rise from a chair. His legs trembled. His arms gave way. Doctors told him it was simply age. They did not reveal the truth. Less than 2% of seniors know a hidden muscle-building secret that big pharmaceutical companies have ignored for decades. Robert discovered a common food that reversed 15 years of muscle loss in just 90 days. His strength tests now match a healthy 60-year-old. After 60, this secret could mean the difference between independence and assisted living. Most seniors fail because the supplement industry focuses on expensive powders and pills. The medical system manages decline instead of preventing it. After 60, muscles develop something called anabolic resistance. They stop responding to normal amounts of protein. Simple foods can break through this resistance, waking muscles up and stimulating growth again. Without them, standing, walking, and climbing stairs becomes harder every year. The first secret is lentils. One cooked cup provides 18 grams of protein, almost as much as 3 eggs. Paired with rice or quinoa, lentils form a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Robert Chen and Margaret Williams, 74, saw rapid results. By week 12, they regained strength, carried groceries, and walked without fatigue. Lentils also reduce inflammation and provide magnesium, iron, and folate. Hemp seeds are another overlooked superfood. 3 tablespoons provide 10 grams of complete protein and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and protect joints. Seniors who add hemp seeds to meals report more energy and flexibility. Cottage cheese and Greek yogurt support overnight muscle repair. They release protein slowly while you sleep, helping muscles rebuild. Half a cup of cottage cheese or plain Greek yogurt before bed can improve strength and recovery in weeks. Black beans provide 15 grams of protein and fiber per cup, stabilizing blood sugar, supporting gut health, and aiding muscle repair. Pair with grains for a complete protein. Whey protein is a fast-acting tool that breaks through anabolic resistance. Its leucine content signals muscles to rebuild. Seniors using whey daily regain strength, reduce fatigue, and increase muscle mass. Start with one of these foods for 7 days. Track your energy, strength, and recovery. Gradually add the others. Lentils fuel muscles. Hemp seeds calm joints. Cottage cheese repairs overnight. Greek yogurt supports digestion. Black beans boost energy. And whey sparks muscle growth. Age is inevitable. Decline is optional. Your strength and independence are waiting. Begin today.